And we got another video. There's Bailey. There's Charlie. He's old as fuck. Doesn't even know if he wants to walk or not. Maybe he was stretching. And there's Rhythm. She ate my Elvis shirt yesterday, so she won't even look at me. She's upset. And I'm a little fucking upset. Oh, it's 9:12 in the morning. I've already had 2 beers. I've been working on a computer. That sucks. And then I gotta work on my computer, which sucks. Being single, you look at a lot of porn and you crash your computer. That's not really what happened, but breakfast time. Honey barbecue chicken strips. Yes. Oh shit. It's kind of early. Oh, I gotta rip the bag. Alright, here we go. I still don't think I ripped it far enough. Nope. I think that's it. There we go. Happiness. Chicken. It's good shit. I like it. Tyson's chicken.